Hi, in this occasion we are going to be using watercolors as our base. Let your child put water all over the cardboard as they wish. Let them experiment with water on the cardboard and then let them have their own choice on which colors are they going to apply on the working area. In this occasion, I am going to use a little bit of orange, a little bit of red brick or Spanish red, red, a little bit of burgundy, and magenta. These are going to be the colors that resemble Khalid colors, warm colors. Let's put a little bit of yellow, and it will gradually mix with the other warm colors. Then very carefully we are going to start adding traces, little dots and traces of green. Green is the complementary color for red, and also green is part of the cool colors. Let your child notice how different are the cool colors from the warm colors. Green, blue, violet. These are the cool colors. Let them see how the colors are absorbed by the water, and have them discover how water is the vehicle of the pigment, and how water is going to take them along the paper. This is the base, the background of our project. Have them notice that when they put colors and If they mix them all together, they will only obtain brown. So very carefully, you have to guide them into just adding the pigments, adding the colors, so they can see how they interact with water. In order to get very saturated colors, you have to rub very much the paintbrush on the caplet so the pigment becomes more visible. And this would give a slight discovery of the difference between warm and cool colors. Have them continue to discover how they are different from the warm colors by having them apply contrast of the cool colors on the warm colors. So this is going to be the base, the frame of the work that we are going to be doing as the second stage of the project. Another thing that you can do and have your child do is to move the cardboard, and some of the colors will probably merge, but we will still have the noticeable difference from warm and cool. Okay, so let's put this aside for it to dry a little bit, and then the second part of our project comes. You will need a black marker, preference black thick marker, and this is going to be a self-discovery practice. Have your child have a mirror in front of them so they can see their face, and they can start discovering their features, the elements of the face that are eyebrows, eyelashes, eye, nose, mouth, hair, ears, and any other special feature that they have that makes them unique. So in this moment I am going to perform the face making of myself, right? But when they look at themselves in the mirror, they will start drawing by observation their face here with black ink, black marker. Okay, so let's try to guide them into how they see, that's important, how they see their face. They can start from wherever they choose. The idea is that they keep observing their face through the mirror, and that they can start recognizing their own features as they see themselves. This is a very personal practice. The key of this practice is that they see themselves and they get to draw their face as they see themselves in the mirror. Okay? Just let them see themselves and let them recognize their features. They can be able to see some of the details and probably not all of them. Just let them be, because the idea is that they discover all of their features by themselves. Regardless of what we as adults see, they can draw themselves how they see themselves in the mirror. They will express themselves however they want, and they will add the details of the hair, and however they see their hair, they will draw it. It doesn't matter how it comes. The idea is that they start looking at their faces and identifying all of the features that they see only of themselves. You have to try to tell them that this is only about them. This is an artwork specially for them. If they would like to add anything else that they want surrounding them, it's okay. Okay? Just let them recognize themselves as they see. Just with the black ink, they will perform their self-portrait. After having them draw their self-portrait, you will proceed to paste their self-portrait on the background that we had previously painted. And that's it. Then you can write their name, as I am doing right now. So they can realize that this drawing that they have made, that they have created, is them. It has their name, and this is their first self-portrait. Having learned about the warm and cool colors, experimentation with watercolor, and by putting the white format on the background with the black ink, we start developing the knowledge of contrast between white and colorful and black versus white. Okay, so this is going to be our project for this week. Thank you very much.